Welcome to the Sailing Channel, a channel about life at sea. Enjoy the journey with us.
Morosi Port, the industrial pulse of southeast Sulawesi. Greetings, wonderful viewers and maritime enthusiasts. Welcome to Layar Channel, where we explore the most dynamic trade gateways across the Indonesian archipelago. Morosi is located in southeast Sulawesi, Indonesia, on the eastern coast of this vibrant region. Gentle rolling hills slope slowly toward the turquoise waters of the Banda Sea. Rising boldly from choppy waves, steel beams and reinforced concrete form Morosi Port, a specialized harbor designed exclusively for barges, bustling with loading and unloading operations for coal, crushed stone, sand, bauxite, nickel, and raw materials for smelting facilities. Built from minerals, heavy machinery, and the hard work of thousands of laborers, it symbolizes the region's booming industrial spirit. Standing on a sturdy barge deck, we witness non-stop activity. Tides carry not just seawater, but the weight of an economy connecting remote landscapes to global markets. More than a port, Morosi is the heart of an industrial corridor supporting mining and smelting across southeast Sulawesi.
Guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and and give it a like and share, please.
Inland, the Morosi Industrial Zone hosts large-scale nickel processing plants and supporting industries, using coal for energy, crushed stone and sand for construction, bauxite for metal production, and nickel as the primary smelting material. All commodities from local mines and surrounding areas converge here, destined for domestic smelters or export to countries worldwide. As Indonesia emerges as a global leader in nickel production critical for stainless steel and electric vehicle batteries, Morosi becomes a key hub in the global supply chain. From afar, the jetty stretches like a robust mechanical bridge, linking land and sea with precision and designed to ease barge mooring. The port handles diverse cargo: coal for power generation, crushed stone and sand for infrastructure, bauxite for aluminum smelting, and nickel for batteries. Today, our barge transports bauxite from waters near Kapoiyala Island, meeting smelter demand and boosting port capacity. Every ton unloaded expands the region's growth. Sound becomes the language of productivity as barges approach. Engines roar, excavators dig with precision, and cranes rotate steadily to move coal, crushed stone, sand, bauxite, and nickel. The sequence load, lift, transfer, secure repeats day and night without pause. Along the shore, mounds of reddish coal, gray crushed stone, white sand, grayish bauxite, and dark nickel grow daily, bound for industrial zone smelters, major Java ports, and overseas markets. Operating on shifts, not daylight hours, Morosi ensures steady supply to all sectors. Amid machinery's roar and steel structures, workers their faces etched by sun and dust work with zeal. Over the din, they declare, "We work 24 hours a day." Demand is high, import stops, industries halt and livelihoods are lost. For them, time is measured by cargo volume, progress by tons moved, a dedication reflecting the channel's ethos. Beyond the harbor, large cargo ships anchor patiently like floating islands. Here, transshipment occurs. Small barges transfer commodities to ocean-going vessels, cutting costs, extending reach, and ensuring steady supply. These ships sail to Java, Sumatra, Asian industrial ports, and beyond to meet global demand. Coal, bauxite, and nickel are vital to smelters in the energy transition, supporting nickel for electric vehicles and energy storage. Crushed stone and sand build growth driving infrastructure. Morosi advances Indonesia's goal of capturing more value from natural resources, from mining to exporting processed smelter materials worldwide. What departs is not just raw material, but competitive industrial strength. Yet Morosi balances industry with local life. Fishing boats moor beside barges, fishermen mending nets under crane's shade after long days in the Banda Sea. Inland, villages grow along mining roads, small shops serve truck drivers, and new homes rise near smelters. Global industry and local livelihood share the coastline, weaving prosperity and tradition in harmony. Growth brings challenges. Heavy barge traffic requires strict navigation, while reclamation and mining must protect coral reefs and marine life. Sedimentation, coastal erosion, and coal transport waste are ongoing concerns. Morosi embodies the balance of economic expansion and environmental responsibility key to sustainability. Watching the constant cargo flow reveals a truth. This work demands endurance, focus, and coordination. Machines idle without human hands. Human strength falters without machinery. Together, they transform commodities into production materials, income, and trade corridors for smelting and construction. Morosi is the fruit of collective effort. As sunset falls and floodlights blaze, operations continue. Barges do not wait for dawn. Industrial demand never ceases. From Morosi, commodities fuel the economy, a story of sound, movement, and connection, where land meets sea and local labor powers global industry. Thank you for watching Layer Channel. Fair winds and following the seas.